So, in addition to iOS 18.5 Beta 1 dropping, Apple did just drop watchOS 11.5 Beta 1. And if you saw our iOS video, I unfortunately am hating to be the bearer of bad news, but yeah, this is just as disappointing as iOS was, but unfortunately isn't a surprise due to where the direction of watchOS has been and how stagnant it's been for a while. So, just to kind of touch on it, it did just complete installing, and I will say though, it has been pretty fluid, but again, that is what we were experiencing with iOS 18.4. As you can see here, actually, as I said that, the digital crown isn't scrolling. There's that. There it goes, finally. So not ideal there. That could be our first little hiccup we've seen, but when actually operating and jumping around, everything was working as anticipated initially. I'm going to scroll all the way down to settings really quick before we jump into this on our iPhone and show you a couple items here. First things first is actually going to be battery life. And looking at our battery health here, after running all of these betas, we are still at 96% max capacity. Not too bad. This is an Ultra 2 that we've had for a little bit of time, so at least that has been pretty good considering how draining and demanding betas have been. Beyond that also, I do just want to call out, unfortunately, yep, still no Apple Intelligence features here. Purely Siri, and Siri is still not, well, anywhere near it needs to be, where it needs to be. We're still waiting on that smarter contextual Siri, and I'm hoping in watchOS 12 that will be dropping in just 2 months, we might get a pleasant surprise and see more details in regards to that. Now, jumping right into our iPhone here, and in the Watch app, I do just want to show you under About, this build for the first beta is 22T5542F. So if you're not familiar with betas and how they work, the closer that letter at the end of the build is to the beginning of the alphabet is how close we are to release. This F build is somewhat close, so I would anticipate not seeing too many builds for iOS 18.5. Quite honestly, obviously there's no release notes here, nothing new in feedback. Let's double check really quick. I am anticipating that Apple truly has started dedicating all resources to iOS 19 and watchOS 12 because this is pretty stagnant. There's been a number of concerns and questions and lack of new features in here, so to the point where it's become very stale. Even, guys, if you follow the channel, even simple things like our double tap gesture, which I think is just such a huge opportunity to utilize. It's not had a single update for new features in here since it was really announced. Yes, they added Apple Vision Pro, yet you can ignore the double tap gesture on your watch to not trigger something. Cool, fine. But how many people really have an Apple Vision Pro out there? So, kind of a lost thought there. Not even watch faces being more unique, not even getting a new assortment, especially since they are blocking third-party watch faces from really taking advantage of what Apple can offer due to the hindrances of iOS. So yeah, I am hoping in 2 months we will see a huge update with watchOS 12. But for now, let's talk about watchOS 11.5. We did get this weird random release here on a Wednesday. I'm not anticipating another one on the 7th, but more likely on the 14th will be our second beta. And then we'll probably receive another one the week after, possibly the 28th, and early May, I would say, should be our last beta. I don't believe we're going to see a 0.6 release here. It is possible, but I think it'll be too confined here. We might see a double dot release, but considering Apple has announced WWDC for June 9th, I think all resources are technically going to be busy working on that and watchOS 12. So nothing new here, unfortunately. If something pops up that we missed, we'll go ahead and jump into that, but don't get our hopes up. Thanks for watching, guys. Let us know in the comments down below, what do you think what the status of watchOS currently is? We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.